What's going on? Michael here from Forever Aesthetic Company, and I'm back with another banger. We're about to go through a chest workout, 5 minutes, and we're gonna get pumped. This video is in response to our last chest workout getting 35 thumbs up. Thank you guys for that. Let's get to work. This is how we do.
Let's go.
All right.
Regular push-ups.
Regular push-ups. I was expected to put in some work, but I'm feeling it right now. I'm feeling it.
So wide push-ups.
Go for wide push-ups next. See, as you can see, I want to go after the chest pump. I can't just leave it for her. It's a real chest pump. You're gonna want it. Alright.
You'll be too jealous.
I'll be too jealous.
8 seconds on the clock. We're going to this is where it's hard when you're on the wide push-up off the mat. Hands are a little bit slippery. Let's get it.
Woo-wee! Chest is swole. Chest is swole right now. I'm feeling it. Last move. Slow water.
It's not the last move.
Second last move. Now I'm tripping. We're gonna get this slow push up coming up next. Woo.
This is where you're gonna feel the burn right here on the
No excuses. Get this work at home. Quarantine workout. Homework. Jeez.
7 seconds. And we're going for a slow push up.
Okay.
And timer's on. Let's get it. Inhale on the way down. 3 to go. And we're resting. Good work.
Okay. Last move coming on up. We're gonna see how this one goes. We're going for high plank. Alright. I'm crouching like this. Sorry guys. I set the camera in one place. We can only make it happen like this, so we're making the best of it. We'll go on here for high plank. 10 seconds.
Alright.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and
Time is on. In position. We're here for 27 seconds. Hold for about 10 more seconds because I'm pretty sure our timer died on us. 7,
Yeah, I knew that was getting long.
5, 4, 3, 2, and that's a FaceTimer for you a little longer.
Woo wee! So if you just hit that chest workout along with me, I hope you're feeling that chest pump. Make sure to subscribe to this workout. If you're saving it for later, share it with a friend, and I'll see you guys in the next video.